Buffalo chicken wings, crispy, saucy, spicy, and made fresh for America. Efficient delivery. Hey, y'all. Loved my Philly? Now get ready. Buffalo chicken wings are here. Here are every single ingredient you need for buffalo wings. This is the HE sauce. I put that sauce on everything, professionally speaking. Pat those. Baking powder is the secret. It creates the crispiest skin ever, y'all. Quality sneeze tested. Rest those seasoned wings in the refrigerator. Minimum 1 hour, uncovered. Efficient refrigerator loading. That is the most beautiful color I have ever seen in my life. Frank's Red Hot into the melted butter. Whisk it into the perfect buffalo sauce. Rested wings onto the wire rack plate. Bake at 425 for 40 minutes.
20 minutes in, flip those wings and bake another 20 more.
Oven preheating to 425 degrees Fahrenheit. High heat creates the crispiest wings ever. Blue cheese is bold, all accounted for. Homemade blue cheese dipping sauce, Jez, the perfect partner for buffalo wings. The heat builds character. Buffalo sauce rewarmed and perfect. Butter, Frank's Red Hot, perfectly balanced heat. Buffalo sauce poured over those crispy wings, toss until completely coated. Sauce coverage verified via air test. Fresh celery and carrot sticks. The classic buffalo wing serving tradition. Presentation achieved. Oh, America Vec, so. Buffalo wing dipped in blue cheese. The most American flavor combination ever. Buffalo wings plated in a gorgeous spiral. Pure American game night perfection. Buffalo chicken wings, hey, made with love for all of America. Game night starts NOW. The ultimate club sandwich. Triple-decker perfection made fresh for America today. The wings are still with me. Hey, y'all. Loved my buffalo wings. Now get ready, ultimate club sandwich. Here are every single ingredient you need for the ultimate club. The picks make it official. Without the picks, it's just a tall sandwich. With the picks, it's a club sandwich. Sandwich science. Thick cut bacon, cooked perfectly crispy. The soul of every club sandwich. The bread returned. Golden toasted bread on all sides at the perfect club sandwich foundation. This spread could be famous. Mayo and Dijon combined and spread on every slice of toast. Quality testing complete. Fresh Roma tomato rounds and crispy iceberg lettuce, vibrant and beautiful. Turkey, ham, cheddar, Swiss Wed, all fanned and ready for the club. Structural sandwich integrity. First layer, lettuce, turkey, ham, cheddar on that golden toast. Middle bread layer, bacon, tomato, Swiss cheese. The club builds up. Top layer on, the ultimate club sandwich triple decker is complete. It is taller than I anticipated. Sandwich science. 4 colorful picks inserted. This makes it officially a club sandwich.
The diagonal cut reveals style. Every beautiful club sandwich layer.
4 triangles fanned perfectly, every gorgeous layer revealed and beautiful. Sandwich symmetry achieved.
The pickle refuses to cooperate. Final answer, dill pickle spear and golden chips, the ultimate American deli plate. The ultimate club sandwich, blah. American deli perfection on a plate.
Oh, America. Every single layer perfect. Bacon, turkey, ham. Every chip matters. 4 Ultimate Club sandwiches plated beautifully. Pure American deli perfection.
The Ultimate Club Sandwich, made with love for all of America.
If you enjoyed this video and want more delicious recipes, oven, like, subscribe, share. Thank you, America.